see. Oh yeah. One, good to see you. 2, 3. That should be pretty close. Alright, I've got my friend's Louis Vuitton slip-ons. A little better than Vans. Check them out. Pretty dope. I like them. How to rock them. We're going to clean up some of the dirt and dust that's in there. Condition them. And clean up that white part. Because that's just dirty. Check it out. So what you guys think? You like my new digs? We've got it nice and clean. Let's get these outsoles a little better, huh? I'm going to start off with the all-purpose brush. Fairly easy to do. You know, you just got to clean it off and condition. Don't overcomplicate things, you know? It's not like you're building a... It's not like you're painting a mountain with a landscape or anything like that. Oh, what's up, Mr. Shinosaur? Somebody wants to say hello. Get back on that horsey. Shinosaurus Rex. Now let's see how clean they look. Not too bad. I knew there was going to be a little bit of work to do right back there. We might be able to clean that little spot off there too. A little better. Not too bad. We'll condition these with some nice, soft, delicate cream. That's pretty much it. This premium advanced sneaker cleaner that we got here works pretty good. What it also has in there is some ingredients to condition the leather. But I always like to take it a step further and put some delicate cream on there. Since this guy is such a cool dude, I'd like to take care of his shoes for him. And what we're going to do is bust out some delicate cream that I put in a time capsule from back when Meltonian used to make shoe polish. They got bought out and discontinued. Look at that, actually a little better. This delicate cream can be used on all these types of leather. This is pretty much like the same type of leather that they use on their handbags, the Louis Vuitton handbags, which are always a hit with the ladies. I don't have that kind of money to be buying my lady a Louis yet, but boy, I tell you what, these things are nice. Let's buff it out. Grandma's nylon. No, you really don't have to do a whole lot. Just gentle brushes, soft cloths. I mean, I could even use one of these microfiber towels. They all pretty much have the same effect on the leather like this. You just want to buff it out. But what it's doing is deep conditioning that leather. And once it dries and you're buffing it, it gets really smooth and soft. You can feel it kind of transition from when that cream is still wet. There's other creams like it called delicate cream. But I always loved that good old Meltonian. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you the Shine Studio. Since these bottoms are brown, you really don't have to work all day on it. I might hit it a little later with the little medium bristle brush, the all-purpose brush, just to get it all cleaned up. So if he wants to walk around on the carpet, it's alright. But that's pretty much that. I like the dexterity of this little nylon. Wear it as a sock puppet. Just buff the shoe off. Make sure you're using a clean nylon, not one that Grandma's been hitting the town on or anything like that. Hey Grandma, love you. Go hit the town. Not bad. Looks pretty good. All in no time. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Thank you.